Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will show you how to make breakfast of all breakfasts, the ultimate vegan scrambled egg. Let's take a look at our ingredients for this ultimate vegan scramble. We are not gonna go through them all, but a few honorable mentions would go to black salt, to make it taste eggy of course, nutritional yeast to enhance the taste and the color a little, carrot to add a bit of crunch, and of course tofu. About 600 grams of nice firm tofu. So, let's go get our hands or mushers dirty. Take the tofu, put it all in a bowl and mush it. You can either use your hands or a musher, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you don't mush it too much. Now, take a large pan or wok, add a splash of oil, let it heat up, and add 1 roughly chopped onion. Followed by 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Then in goes the nicely diced medium-sized carrot and a finely chopped fresh chili, which is optional. Add about a tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice if you prefer to use that instead. Stir fry it all on medium-high heat for a few minutes until it starts to smell real nice and you can see the color change taking place. Now add the crumbled tofu, stir it all together and add a splash of soy milk to add a bit of moisture to the cooking process. Add the nutritional yeast, stir again, and get your spices ready, as we are about to give it a real nice taste bump. Start with 1 teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Stir it all well together, maintain medium heat, and continue cooking for about 10 minutes while stirring frequently. Add 1 sliced spring onion, give it a final stir, and turn off the heat. Our scrambled egg is done. Now we are moving on to the optional stage. Grab a few slices of red peppers, put them on a grill pan with a splash of oil, and grill them for a few minutes on both sides until you see nice grill marks on them. Add a pinch of salt and a splash of vinegar on the soft inner side of the peppers, and grill more until they soften up a little. Grab your plate, add some sriracha, vegan mayo, and your freshly cooked scrambled egg tofu. If you follow till the end, you can place your grilled peppers over your scramble, toast a few slices of bread, or leave it as it is. Sit down and enjoy your breakfast. We have also added some seasoned grilled bean curd. If you want to know more about it, leave us a comment down below and we'll make a video on how to make it. That's it folks, enjoy your protein and flavor-packed breakfast. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss another video. Like, comment and share if you will. Thank you for watching and see you next week.